bird rice. Sometimes you find yourself with little time to eat with your birds. And on those occasions, it is nice to give them something that is a nice staple. Rice isn't the best food in the world, but it's quick and handy dandy. What I do is I put it in a glass container, and then I use wax paper to cover it, or if my glass cover is not available. It's healthier for two birds, or how many birds you have. It's also healthier for humans. It's not good to microwave plastic. Be aware of that for your birds and for yourself. And then, when that's done, I like to sprinkle either alfalfa powder on their rice or barley powder on their rice and some form of probiotic. Not all the time is probiotic necessary, but in my case with this bird plucking at the moment, it might not be so bad. This and the alfalfa and barley are just added things to make the rice a little bit more nutritious.